In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to manually allow your post to show up on other people's Instagram search page. This increases visibility, engagement, and growth. It exposes your content to a wider audience beyond your followers, which can lead to more likes, comments, shares, and new followers. To do this, simply head to Instagram. You want to tap onto these three lines to access your settings. Navigate into the section of Who can see your content. Head to the very first option of Account Privacy. Turn on this last option of Allow public photos and videos to appear in search engine results. When enabled, your posts will automatically show up in not only Instagram's search engine, but also Google search results. The bonus tip is to always use hashtags on every post you upload. Well, that's it. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.